Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing BZWR, CYBL, DPLS, IBGR, NSAV, and GGII. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video, hit the red subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get a first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like LWLG at $2.55, ENZC at 0.014, MJWL at 0.014, and ALPP at 7.5 cents. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it will be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times if something hot comes across our desk, we'll get it out right away to our subscribers via SMS. With that out of the way, let's dive in here. Overall, lackluster day on Tuesday, but there are some bright spots. BZWR, this has been a nice runner past 3 days. Actually 4 days, rallied from under 10 cents, held the 200-day of 9 cents, and rallied to 22 cents yesterday. So nice win on BZWR. We'll be doing a full report on the website, so make sure you are signed up for that report. Signup.insiderfinancial.com. Also CYBL, this one here is consolidating up here at the highs. RSI is pulled back a little bit to 61. This one is either going to break out and make new highs, or it's going to come back down. Just waiting on a PR, some updates from the company, but overall consolidating nicely, holding up. Let's see what the next move is on CYBL. DPLS making a nice climb, up 30% yesterday. Had a gap up. This we should see some more continuation on this one. This one was a really nice runner for subscribers back in June. You can go over to the site, look in the magnifying glass, type in any symbol, and you can see what we have said there. So we talked about it twice. OTC stocks on the rise, DPLS, and 4 hot OTC stocks with massive growth potential. DPLS made both lists. IBGR going to be doing a full report as well on the website. This one's been a nice runner. Past 2 days, more than a double. Pulled back off the highs on Tuesday. Let's see what the next move will bring on IBGR. Lastly, want to bring our attention to NSAV. This is the most talked about name on the OTC. Was a great runner. We have talked about it a lot on our site. Feel free to go and check out what we've said on here. All our articles remain permanent. We do not delete anything. We were bullish on NSAV, and it just shit the bed last week. Guys, this is not how to do a cryptocurrency launch. I mean, geez, did they screw this up. And, you know, guys, I know a lot of you are getting into words with the bashers over on iHub, StockTwits, Twitter. It's a losing battle. Don't waste your breath. You know, in this case, you know, right now, I cannot defend NSAV. And, you know, when people start saying, you know, am I in a pump and dump? Well, if you have to ask that question, chances are you're in a pump and dump. GGII, this was a rug pull. They did this to everyone back in May. You know, dilution is the most common culprit, and you know, failing to deliver. And NSAV, you know, go to their site, to their Twitter, NSAV Tech on Twitter, and you know, everything you know, speaks for itself. They're applying for a crypto exchange license. You know, they're talking about Binance and Coinbase. They have to do everything careful. I mean, they, you know, there was a lot of hype leading up to it, and they didn't deliver. And you know, if they come out with a new PR, if they launch the crypto exchange, people can use it. Well, then that's a different story. But right now, you know, if they have to say, I want to also sincerely apologize for the confusion when it comes to the word launch. You know, if you have to apologize for that in a tweet, you know, you've already lost the battle. The war's not over yet, but, you know, you've lost the battle, and, you know, the shorts have jumped all over this and left a lot of people holding the bag. This really comes down to the importance of why we tell everyone it's best to own 10 or 20 or more penny stocks. This happens in OTC. You get these types of crashes. You know, you get, you know, there was a spectacular run in NSAV. Number one, as I tell my readers and subscribers all the time, followers, book profits along the way. Do not get greedy. You know, you get this move here in July from under a penny, you know, in the double zeros, it rallies all the way to 14 cents. Guys, you gotta take money off the table. You know, you have to. Here, we rate this as a hold. They may turn things around and you make back your money. You know, guys, should you buy more? You know, maybe to get yourself a little bit better average. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't, you know, hold me to it. I mean, I'm telling you what I would do. You know, if I was in at 8 cents, 10 cents, you know, I'd be buying some down here just to bring my average lower and just wait and see what happens. But don't load up. Don't get too heavy. There will be other plays on the OTC. Just, you know, put this, if you're down money right now, just put this on the hold column. Wait until the end of the year. If you know, use it to as a loss, sell it and book the tax loss. You can offset some of your gains in your other plays. Again, I'm not a financial advisor or a CPA, but I'm just giving you my opinion and what I would do if I was in the boat that you're in. But again, you know, guys, it's so important to remain diversified. Don't, you know, go all in on just one or two plays, because, you know, this is what can happen. And, you know, when you see stuff like this happening, it puts pause in, you know, all of the OTC. You know, people, you know, losing like this, they see that, you know, down 63%, you know, it makes them not want to play, you know, or, you know, go and invest, you know, in other OTCs. And that's why we're seeing, you know, basically a quiet market across the board. We had an alert on Monday at the bell, closed at the highs, up 24%. We'll take it, but again, it's not the big move that we're used to seeing. I mean, we had alert last Wednesday that was up over 57% overnight. That was a nice score. So those are the types of gains we're looking for. We're used to, about 2 weeks ago, we had a sub-penny move over almost 185%. So those are the types of gains we look for. But, in a tough market, you got to take what you can get. And, right now we're not in the market that was we had last November to February. Where you get a move like Humble from, under 3 cents on a split adjusted basis to almost $8. We're not seeing those types of runners right now. So right now it's you got to be quicker to take profits. And just keep in mind, look, you're not investing in Amazon. You're not investing in Apple, Microsoft, Facebook. You're investing in story stocks. When the story is hot, boy, these stocks can run. But when the story changes, like NSAV, and you got to defend it, and you're arguing with the bears and the paid bashers, you're in trouble as a bull, as a long. I've been doing this way too long to know, don't get into, we could do a rebuttal on NSAV, but we don't know what's going to happen next in NSAV. The story was there. It worked out well until it didn't. And then, they changed the story, and, they basically, hyped it up. And, a lot of people are holding the bag right now. So there's, no, don't beat around the bush, call it like it is. And you move on, and that's all you can do. Again, been doing this a long time. Don't fall in love with any of these story stocks. Play the story as long as it plays out, but when the story changes, get out. Look, case in point is Humble. Let me bring this one up. I didn't intend to talk about Humble, but I'm going to talk about it right now. This one last year was a tremendous win for our subscribers, but then, it rallied in February, and then all of a sudden, you had George Sharp resign. A lot of people were in Humble because of Sharp. When he resigns without, a real explanation, well, that gets people panicky, and, the story sort of changed. And, when that happens, you got to get out. So, just remember you are playing story stocks. We're not focused on valuations. You want to do valuations, go on Berkshire Hathaway. These are penny stocks. They're like crypto. The market caps don't matter. As long as the story is there, they'll keep running. But the minute the story changes, well, then, you got to get out. So, this comes with experience. And, if you got caught in NSAV or GGII, it's just take it as a lesson. Learn to earn, and, just on a lot of these, you gotta buy dips, sell rips, and don't fall in love with anything. So in the end, it's all about P&L, and you don't have a P&L until you sell. So always take money off the table, and I wish cautious investing to all. All right, with that being said, I'm on the hunt. OTC is a little crappy right now. I'm hunting NASDAQ, so I'm doing some screens today. We'll have an alert for everyone Thursday at the bell. If I find something exciting, that's my game plan. This will be a NASDAQ play. So go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This way you get all our alerts via email and SMS. I want to wish everyone a profitable and great Wednesday. Happy hump day. And I'll be coming live to you with a new video tomorrow, and also a new alert for our subscribers. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.